When you first deploy Viva Connections, so basically your SharePoint intranet home site directly within Teams right here, you will want to help the users understand exactly what they're looking at. I mean, they'll be looking at pretty much the same site, but there'll be some differences. There won't be any editing functionality. The icons here on top will be different and so forth, right? So when they first come in here, you want to for them to have, for example, a tour of the site to tell them exactly what they're looking at. This button is one of the ways to provide a tour like that. So this is produced using VisualSP right now. If I click on the intranet tour, this comes up showing them exactly what they're looking at to begin with. Here's the Contoso intranet, obviously it would be the name of the actual company. Then next over here, pointing to the site header, here's the site header, what it represents. For admins, they can also understand how to customize this information. Next, taking them down to a particular section. Now, obviously, this is just a demo, but it could be anything like that as well. That this is where your news is located. This is where your recent documents are located. So reintroducing the intranet within Viva Connections or just introducing it for the first time, all these things are very, very important. Leaving them also something like that saying, all right, if you have additional questions, you can contact support. So in this case, this call to action button, we have it configured so when they click it, it automatically goes to the email address of the organization, in this case, support@contoso.com, obviously. Uh, but yeah, so having a walkthrough like this, which I had it start using the button like that, you can also start automatically as well. Configuration of all this stuff, extremely easy. This is the tour of your intranet. That's what this is hooked up to. If I edit over here, let me just quickly show you how this was created. So here's a button, and I can actually have the button be anywhere also. See right now, this is where it's placed, but it could be anywhere if I want it to be. Once I have it, the color could be changed to whatever you want, obviously. Here we go. So it will look different. Actually, this might not be the best color. This will probably stand out more. Preview. We do that. Here we go. That's the button right there. And similarly, if I wanted this walkthrough to come up automatically, that can happen as well. I can say, the first, maybe the 3 times between a certain date, have it come up automatically for my users. I could do that. And then the walkthrough itself, it's also very easy to configure. This is the walkthrough pieces that I was showing over here. You can see that the actual image that you saw in the walkthrough, the information of the walkthrough, once again, very easily configured from step by step. You can also move stuff around very easily as well. So that's what we allow our customers to do. Using VisualSP, when you deploy Viva Connections, you can easily onboard your users using this kind of walkthrough and other things as well. If you would like more information, let us know and we'll go from there.